This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the physical connection right. Insert the micro SD into an adapter if required, then plug into the card reader or USB adapter. Once done, make sure the card's mechanical lock is off so it can be written to. You should hear a device connect sound on Windows or see a mounting icon on Mac. This confirms the hardware layer works. If nothing appears, try a different USB port or adapter before moving to software steps. This rules out simple connection faults. Now you find the card inside the operating system. On Windows, open File Explorer and look under this PC for a new drive letter. Double-click to browse. On Mac, open Finder and check locations, or use the desktop if external disks show there. On Linux, open your file manager or run lsblk or dfh in a terminal to identify the new device name. Make sure you don't accidentally open camera folders. Look for the drive label or size to confirm it's the SD card. For final steps, open Disk Management on Windows to assign a drive letter or mount the volume, or use Disk Utility on Mac to mount and run First Aid. These steps fix partition or mounting issues. If the card shows but folders are empty or corrupt, run chkdsk or First Aid to repair file system errors. Be careful with write operations if you need recovery. If the card never appears, test it in another device, swap readers, and update USB or chipset drivers. That single troubleshooting action often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.